Hi guys, this is Mz.Shortcake. So I have here a little project that I am doing. So I bought, if you saw my post last week, I believe, I bought this baby toy. Actually, it jiggles and everything, it vibrates, and I just loved it because it's a little cactus and it was soft, and I wanted to turn it into a pincushion. I know. So I bought this at a thrift store actually. So inside this part is silicone and this is soft, and of course inside is soft, but it also had that crinkly sound that you hear all the time, which attracts the kids. So what I did is I cut the bottom right there along the there's like a little hole here that the string was attached down there. So when you pull it, this is the machine that's actually inside, and the string runs from here. I was trying to pop it so I could show you. So this vibrates. So when you pull it, it would be like that, and then it vibrates and it comes home back to it. And then so what I did is I deconstructed it. I put new stuffing, the one from Daiso, which is much softer. It had this one and I just don't like it, plus it's old. So the cool thing is the little machine was actually covered in this cloth little pocket, and then the plasticky stuff, that makes that sound, was covered also in some cloth cover on the side. This is the shape of the inside. So it was covered like this, so you keep hearing that. I cut the ring. This one still has the top because it's a ring, but I'm going to cut that off. And then it already came with this little flower. The only thing, this is actually a pin. I just stuck it in there for now, but eventually. So what I want to do is I'm going to sew it back up by hand, of course, and glue it at the bottom. I don't know if I want to glue it yet or just leave it as a home thing where I can take it out and use the bottom like to store stuff, but for sure I want this to be there. And then I just want to be able to stick my needles or pins or whatever. So it's a cactus, of course, so cactuses need pins. So don't overlook those baby toys, because you can turn them into a cute pin cushion like I have. And then I will be posting an updated picture once I'm done sewing it on my Instagram. So there you go. That is my new pin cushion. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.